Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see preview of our website on wix.com. Guys, as you can see, this is my website I've created in my last video, and now I want to see its preview, how it looks like in when it will be go live. So guys, you don't need to go anywhere, you just have to look at the top right corner on this screen. Here you will see preview. You have to click on it. Once you click on preview, it will take some time, so just don't worry about that, and then you will see the preview of your website. So guys, as you can see, this is the preview of a website. Once they scroll down, the little bit animation you can see on the screen, hide and visible in this area. So my website, when I will fill out all the formalities or details over here, it will look like this, and when I will publish it or it will go live, then it will look like this. So same as you can also see preview, when you add changes in your website and you do little bit editing in your website, then must see it in your preview, and then you will get the better idea for the good changes in your website. So this is how to see preview on wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.